So I titled my presentation "The Vapes of Wrath," and basically what my hypothesis was that I believed that there were some mental health effects to vaping and e-cigarette product use that would be detrimental to people, especially in their adolescence. A lot of my background research stated that the effect of different illegal substances on the brains of adolescents is way more substantial than it is in adults, and that's why cigarettes are illegal for people that are under the age of 18, just partially because the access to it would be detrimental to people's brains. So I hypothesized that people who had lower GPAs may have this be attributable to vaping, but I actually found no correlation in that, which was kind of interesting. But the main result that a lot of people were wondering after taking my survey was how many people in this school particularly have vaped. And we can see that it was 41.6% have vaped, while 58.4% have not vaped. And I honestly thought, due to the popularity of the trend, that it would be a more substantial amount of people that had. But with this, I was actually able to find a lot of other evidence that was able to prove a lot of other conceptions about vaping. One of the most significant things that I found was 72.9% of those who vaped have done so more than once. So when people are questioning how addictive vaping is, I was able to find that, yes, it's very addictive because maybe some of these people haven't been addicted to it, but they are using it more than once and they're going back to it despite possible knowledge of how bad it is for your health. I also found a lot of people were thinking that it was a gateway drug, and I found that 61.8% of those who vape also use other illegal substances, and 42.9% of those people started use of those illegal substances after they had been vaping. So it's about half and half of those who used it before and after, but still a substantial amount of people had vaped before they used other illegal substances. And then I also found that it's different than other illegal drugs. Like, a lot of people cited drinking alcohol and using marijuana, but only 23.2% of those that have used other drugs did it to peer pressure, but people who had vaped, it was 41.5%. So a lot more people attribute it to peer pressure than others. And basically, I was just able to prove a lot of the mental health effects of vaping, and I hope that it will be used in the future to deter other adolescents from vaping. Thanks.